of IPL 2026. The first game sees the defending champions RCB take on SRH. SRH have a 13-11 advantage over RCB when it comes to head-to-head meetings, with one game tied and one abandoned. Who will begin their campaign on a winning note? Hello and welcome to the match forecast of this game. The venue tends first. Quick runs, movement for pacers and turn for spinners. Chinnaswamy has it all these days. The average first inning score in IPL 2025 was 169, but the score shot up to 209 in wins. 3 out of the 5 games were won by the team batting second. The power play trends. The average power play score at the Chinnaswamy last season was 52 for 1. Interestingly, teams lost an average of at least 1 wicket inside the first 4 overs here in IPL 2025, except Gujarat Titans. Looking at the overall tournament trends last year, both RCB and SRH averaged around 59 for 1 in the power play. SRH did not travel to Bengaluru last year, but in 2024, they smashed 76 for no loss in the first 6 overs. Given Phil Salt's poor form, expect SRH to score more than RCB again in this phase. The key players. Virat Kohli has a tremendous T20 record at the MCS in Bengaluru. He has 400s and 27 50s in 106 innings. In the IPL, he always scores runs there. Expect him to make at least 40 if he gets through the power play. Devdutt Padikkal has been in tremendous form in the domestic circuit this season. A stylish left-hander who has a wide array of shots. Expect him to make 25 plus if he gets a start. Bhuvneshwar Kumar is a seasoned campaigner in the IPL. He has good variations and can nail the Yorker at the death. If they swing early on, he can make use of that as well. Expect him to take at least a wicket. Abhishek Sharma is a match winner capable of destroying any attack. Since 2025 in T20s, he has 300s and 13 50s in 54 innings. If he gets a start, expect him to make at least 40. Harshal Patel is a wicket taker in this format. He has 54 wickets in 40 innings in the IPL since 2023. His slower ball off cutter is a major weapon. He can also slog a few with the bat. Expect him to take at least 2 wickets and score a quick fire 10 if he bats. The key matchups. Harshal Patel has positive matchups against Venkatesh Iyer and Devdutt Padikkal. He has dismissed the former 3 times in 6 innings and the latter 2 times in 4 innings. Expect Harshal to bowl when the 2 are at the crease. Abhishek Sharma has got a positive matchup against Jacob Duffy. In 31 balls, he has scored 81 runs at a strike rate of just more than 260, getting out just once. If the Kiwi plays, then Sharma will be backing himself to launch once again. The X Factor. Ishan Kishan has done really well in T20s since 2025. He has 400s and 750s and strikes at 186 in 36 innings. If he gets a start, expect him to make a 50-plus score. The match forecast. Without Hazelwood and Yash Dayal, RCB's bowling looks short on firepower. Also, SRH's batting is powerful enough to wreak havoc at the MCS. So we are backing SRH to win this run 65 to 35 and make a winning start to their campaign. That's all from this episode of the Match Forecast. We'll come back again with another one only on Cricket Buzz.